Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean up the Oracle RAC software installation only. So I have my cluster where I've installed Grid. Let me show you. This is my Grid infrastructure installed. Okay, I have my ASM on node 1 and node 2. I have the management database instance which is up and running, and currently there's no database created. Okay, this is only Grid infrastructure installed and RDBMS software RAC installed. RDBMS software installed only. Now I decide to clean up, to remove the RDBMS. So this is the purpose of this video. I'm going to show you how to clean up. So what you will do, you connect as Oracle user, and you go to Oracle Home. In the home directory, you will find the folder disinstall. Okay, and you will run the disinstall like this way. So it will check the existence of an Oracle Home location. Okay, this is my Oracle Home software. This is my Oracle base, and this is the Oracle inventory. This is the central inventory location. And last, my Grid infrastructure home. So it will check. These are the node part of the cluster: RAC DB1, RAC DB2. And next, it will ask me, Oracle Grid infrastructure home is this one. The following nodes are part of the cluster. Okay, this is fine. The remote node is this one because I'm currently on first node, so the remote node will be the second node. And the cluster node on which the Oracle database disinstall will be performed are these two nodes. Which Oracle home I'm going to disinstall? Oracle home selected to be disinstalled is this one. This is correctly selected. So this is what I want to disinstall. And the central inventory is this one. So they are asking me if I want to continue. I will say yes. I click yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. Yes. So type Y. Y. So it will go and clean up the Oracle home. And it will remove from the central inventory. This is done. Removing from central inventory done. And then you will delete the directory U02. This is done. Now it's working on the remote node, node 2. Remote node also directory deleted, DB1. Now it's going to remove the base directory on the remote node. So here I have not started with false flag. So Oracle Home is removed from the remote node. Remove done. Now it will delete also the directory on the remote node. This is done also. Oracle base deleted from the remote node. This is done. So the cleanup is done successfully. And this is the log location on the second node. So this is actually the summary. Cleanup done everywhere. So with this, we are done with this recording session. In this recording session, I was showing you how to disinstall, how to clean up Oracle RAC RDBMS software only installation without database. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and see you.